In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code in Notion. If you've ever wished you could write and execute code without leaving your Notion workspace, this walkthrough is for you. Notion itself doesn't run code natively. Its code blocks are great for formatting, but they won't execute anything. The trick is to embed a live coding environment right into your page so you can write, run, and preview results in place. First, head to an online coding platform that runs in the browser. Popular choices include Replit for multi-language projects, CodePen for front-end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript demos, and language-specific compilers like Programize if you are experimenting with a single language. Pick the tool that best matches your goal. For example, if you want a quick JavaScript or CSS demo, CodePen is simple and visual. If you need a Python, CFA, or Node.js runtime with files and a console, Replit is more robust. Be sure to save your project in the platform so the link you share remains stable. Next, copy the URL of your project or the exact compiler page you want to embed. Many platforms offer a dedicated share or live preview link. That's usually the most reliable option for embedding. If T here is a public or private toggle, set it so the page is accessible. Otherwise, Notion may not be able to display it. If your platform supports a read-only or preview mode, decide whether you want other viewers to interact with it or just watch the output. Now switch to Notion and type /embed to create an embed block. Paste the link you copied, then confirm to insert it. Notion will generate a live window right inside your page. If you see a prompt to allow the site or cookies, approve it so the embed can load properly. You can drag the corners of the block to resize the view. Switch your Notion page to full width for more space, and add a caption if you want to describe what the embed contains. Once the embed loads, you can interact with your code directly in that window. Type edit and run your code just as you would on the original site, and watch the output update in real time. Keep in mind a few limitations. Some keyboard shortcuts may behave differently inside Notion. Complex graphical previews might feel cramped in a small frame, and certain features that require pop-ups or local files may be restricted. If performance feels slow, try simplifying the preview or opening the project in a new tab when you need full power. And that's it. You've embedded a live coding environment into Notion, making your notes, tutorials, or dashboards truly interactive. Thanks for watching.